You know, in the spirit of getting waterfalls, of course, since we've been in a drought, all the waterfalls I'm able to score have been dry. Well, today, out of nowhere, I'm like, you know what? I got some time. Let's head up to Versailles State Park, my favorite place to be. Since we had rain the other day, we should be getting water. We got water all right. Now, the wind may be a little issue, but then again, if it's not an issue, you're going to hear the sound, which you hear in my background, but we're going to make it work somehow. Let's get some waterfall and enjoy the beauty. Let's refreshen our souls, man. Can you dig it? I'm stoked. Let's get started. Not dry anymore, now is it? No. It's a talking today, let me tell you. So calming, so peaceful. Let's just take it all in, guys. Take it all in. Let's get a half a pan around. You know what? Let's zoom in while we're doing it. Why not? I'm right into that wind too. That's okay. Oh, I know it's messing up the microphone, isn't it? Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I know that wind is probably messing me up. Ain't much I can do about that. Hey look, I found me a stick pile. Yeah, I did. My oldest son, I can tell everybody that's Bigfoot. He's getting himself a picture. If he knew I was videotaping him, he would not be happy. We're gonna get a wide angle shot right here of the lake. Just as pretty as if I'm right up on it. I'm zoomed in about halfway. And we'll just keep her steady. We'll probably be seeing Angie and Kitt here in a few minutes. It went up that way. Haven't ran across them yet, have we? Oh, so beautiful though. Peaceful. Possibly maybe this weekend coming up, I might be fishing again here. Found them. Right there they are. Look at Kitt just pull one away. Oh, one day Angie might get control. Maybe. Get some zoomed in shots right here of the lake. Absolutely beautiful. Can't go too far over because I'll be running into my car because it's right next to me on this shot. That's okay though. Just as beautiful as can be. Let's try some shots from another side of the lake. Oh, this should be spectacular. Oh yeah. Completely beautiful. Oh man. This should be a pretty awesome shot right here. If I could pull it off just the way I want it to. Yeah, there we go. Oh wow. Sure is pretty. Even the wind blowing through the leaves. Absolutely beautiful. Nice little trail going down to the lake. Oh yeah. Beautiful lake right there on the edge. And there's some more wind cutting through the leaves. Oh, I like to say fall was in the air, but fall is almost over with. Winter is coming. Look at the shadow off the water of the trees. Really, really fantastic. Oh my gosh. So nice. Okay, it's time to jump over on my GoPro in case I have to do voice overlays. That'll be it for the G60 until this weekend probably. We'll slowly back her on out. There we go. Another shot of the wind going through the leaves. Time to close her out. You know, the thing about filming in the wind, let me tell you, especially with the G60 expensive microphone, and that doesn't block much wind, you gotta ask yourself, do I make a voice overlay? And that's what I'm doing now. This may never be aired, but just in case the wind does foul up some shots, I have to use things like this. But I'm at the location I was at 2 months ago when I said I was going to grow my hair back. Yeah, the same darn spot. As far as the G70 goes, the Vixen G70 4K, my newest camera, I'm starting to get used to it. Probably springtime, I'm going to tweak the controls a little bit. So in other words, make some certain colors pop. Yeah, I'm not doing that as of now because winter is upon us. I may have to dull the colors down for the snow if we get snow this year. But honestly, I love the camera. I love doing what I'm doing. I love coming up places like Versailles State Park. Yeah. See, this place never was just for fishing. It never was just for the hiking. It's a place to come to escape the city, to escape reality, to let my soul breathe, let my soul talk to the trees, man, and the wildlife. Nowadays, we need that stuff, y'all. We do. We need to make an escape. Versailles State Park is my refuge. It is. But I got a lot of them out there. As you know, Angie and I go a lot of places. We got a lot of places on the document as well. You know, we're going back out to Richmond. There's some waterfalls going to grab there. We may, get this now, we may, is what we've been talking about on Thanksgiving Day. We may be headed out to Tunnelton, the big tunnel in Tunnelton, Indiana. Yeah, we may just do that. And I'm thinking my youngest might come with us. See, I need somebody to come with us because Kitt ain't going to be able to go through the tunnel. No, not with it being an active train tunnel. Train came through and Kitt was in there. You ain't got much room to move out of the way. My puppy dog. What was it? Was he just laying on the ground wooling? Yep. What the heck is? Well, my puppy dog would be scared to death of trains. That's for sure. And the other thing is, if I knew exactly how much footage I need to cover, just in case the wind did mess up on the footage I was using, you know, I got for on the G70, I know exactly how much talking I would need to be doing, but it doesn't really matter, you know, because I can vlog it out, add what I need to add, take away what I need to take away. So guys, until next time, thanks so much for watching. Today's video is a visit to Versailles State Park to reclaim what we've been missing. To reclaim what keeps my heart ticking. To get the hell out of our freaking town. To escape reality, man. To pretend we got no cares in the world. You know, nothing ever matters. That's what it is when we fish. All the cares, all the problems, all the hardships, it's none until we get back in the car and head home. Just saying. All right, guys, till next time, thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below. I thought I'd bring a little extra beauty from Versailles State Park. And remember, since it's getting darker early, I only have at the most a 4-hour time limit right now until it gets deeper and closer to December. Then I have 3 hours of daylight. With my time period, that is, yeah. Gotta remember, I can't do anything until after 1 anyway, because I got things through the first part of the day. But yeah, we're gonna try to get as much as we can. We are gonna be headed back out to Madison as well, and other places. All right, guys, I think that'll do her. Come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button.